Good morning, everybody. Today is gonna be an exciting day. We're gonna have a full day of fishing. We're gonna go camping. Campsite at Dogwood, so we're gonna, after we're done fishing, we're gonna spend the night over there tent camping. Man, I haven't done that in a long time, if at all, but it's gonna be an exciting day. We're gonna cook up some steaks later. If you ever went camping before, comment below where'd you guys go. But we're gonna do more stuff like this in the future, so stay tuned for that, and hopefully we get some fish today. All right, guys, so I'm just going to walk around this shoreline and throw these jigs out. Not bad. Ooh, it's a decent one too. Ooh, it looks like a little chunky one. Times and I already got them. Not too bad, not too bad. We got the first one of the day, guys. Check them out. Pretty chunky. Got them on the Explore Nature's Catch mini jig. White and yellow. Alright, let's get some more. Josh just hooked up on the first fish, guys.
Small dude. Finally!
Got a little bit of chunk to it.
Really nice.
Not too bad, not too bad. Josh is on another one, just killing it now. Number 3. I just have to throw my bait real quick, man. That one just hammered that one. That's definitely more chunky. off. It popped off, guys. That was a chunky one. What did you have that on?
Salmon.
Salmon peach.
Salmon peach. Shocker.
Another one, guys. Actually had this one out for a long time. Not too bad. We've just been like hammering them, huh? That's it for me, guys. It was a good day of fishing for both of us. Check them out. That was on salmon peach as well. Not too bad. About the size of the first one that I caught. Redemption time. Josh is on another decent one. He just threw that out.
He's a little smaller than the last guy. He's got more fight in him though.
Still a good size though. That's a good size. That's a solid size. Not a bad day of fishing today. We have made it to the campground. Dogwood, right?
We're here.
It's kind of exciting, but a little bit nervous at the same time. Check it out, guys. I hear some graduation music. Yeah, this is pretty cool. We got a little water over there too, huh? Got a fire pit. Not bad. Now it's time to set up the tents and then it begins. Alright, now it's time to find the spot where we're gonna put the tent. Per recommendation, a little flat spot over there. So this is the tent I'm gonna be using. Steep 1 backpacking tent, Alps Mountaineering. Alright guys, got the tent all set up, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside. This thing zips up Also has Velcro. Alright, this is it. 1-person tent. Got my lantern. Link in the description, I think. Also got my mummy bag, as well as got a liner for the bag too, and extra clothes just in case I get cold at night, and my big pillow. Also my REI blow-up bed. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is gonna be sleeping quarters. The sleeping quarters for tonight. So Josh has this hammock he's gonna set up.
Excellent hammock. What's it called? This is an Eno single nest, and these are the Atlas straps. So you get adjustments to how far you can go, so you can actually stretch it really actually pretty far.
That's pretty cool.
Mini, that was fast. Get relaxed. You're gonna have to give her a go.
All right, guys, we're about to start up the fire. So Josh, can you give us a quick little explanation about this setup real quick?
Yep. You got some tinder right here. This is all feather sticks and shrubbery. You got a back brace right here. This is gonna get going first, and then you're gonna throw some kindling on top of that, keep it going, and just keep piling it on.
All right. So Josh hooked me up with these items right here. What is this? Ferro rod?
Ferro rod.
And a sharp knife. A bushcraft knife. All right, so we're gonna use this back end. We're gonna strike the ferro rod. See how it goes. Yeah, that looks really cool. Come on, catch. It's really like firecrackers. Come on. We could do it. All right, now we get these sticks that we chopped up. Oh, that one's a funky one. Lay them across. And there you have it, fire. I'm gonna show you guys the restroom. I was surprised how clean it was. If you want to go number 2, it'll be easy. It's like a flushable toilet and everything. Very close to our campsite too. Running water, flushable toilet. You got soap in there. Perfect. We got Chef Josh over here.
I don't know about chef, but we can do some onions and potatoes. Some ribeyes.
All right, the moment we've been waiting for. We got the steaks going on.
jaw on there.
I mean, you gotta cook up steaks, right? At the campsite. Oh, that smells good already. Alright guys, steak's ready. Time to get some potatoes. It's looking delicious. Check that out, guys. Look at this. That's good. I'm really hungry right now too. Alright guys, it's about that time to go to sleep. I'm in my little single tent. It's like a little cocoon. It's actually kind of warm in here. It's cold outside though.